What is Fiverr and how it works? Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: Fiverr. Have you ever wondered what Fiverr is and how it works? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of Fiverr, explaining what it is and giving you a step-by-step guide on how it works. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let's have a quick overview. Fiverr is an online marketplace that connects freelancers with clients who need their services. It was founded in 2010 and has grown into one of the largest freelance platforms in the world. The name, Fiverr, comes from the fact that services on the platform originally started at just $5, although now freelancers can charge much more. So, how does Fiverr work? Well, it's pretty straightforward. First, if you're a freelancer, you create an account on Fiverr. You'll need to set up your profile, showcase your skills, and provide a portfolio of your previous work. Make sure to highlight what makes you unique and stand out from the competition. Once your profile is ready, you can start creating gigs. A gig is a service you offer on Fiverr. It could be anything from graphic design, writing, video editing, voiceovers, or even something unique like creating personalized songs. Be creative and find your niche. Now, if you're a client looking for a freelancer, you can also create an account on Fiverr. Once you're logged in, you can browse through the different categories or search for specific services using keywords. Fiverr has a wide range of freelancers, so you're likely to find someone who meets your requirements. When you find a freelancer that catches your eye, take a look at their profile, check their reviews and ratings, and review their portfolio. This will give you a sense of their skills and professionalism. You can also contact the freelancer directly if you have any questions before placing an order. Once you're ready to move forward, it's time to place an order. You'll need to provide the freelancer with a clear description of the project, any necessary files, and the delivery time you expect. The freelancer will then review your requirements and send you a custom offer based on the scope of the work. If you're satisfied with the offer, you can accept it and make the payment. Fiverr holds the funds in escrow until the project is completed. This ensures that both the freelancer and the client are protected. The freelancer will then start working on your project, keeping you updated along the way. Once the freelancer completes the work, they will deliver the final product to you through Fiverr. Take some time to review the delivery and, if you're satisfied, you can mark the order as complete. If you have any revisions or need further changes, you can communicate with the freelancer and request modifications. After the order is marked as complete, you'll have the opportunity to rate and review the freelancer's services. This feedback is crucial for the freelancers as it helps them build their reputation on the platform and attract more clients. And that's the basic process of how Fiverr works. It's a fantastic platform that offers a wide range of freelance services, providing opportunities for both clients and freelancers worldwide. Thanks for watching.